Push-ups are one of the best body weight exercises to build a strong upper body, if you do them right. But do them wrong and you're not just wasting time, you're killing your gains and risking an injury. And let's be real, odds are you're making at least one of these 5 mistakes. Let me fix that. Mistake number 1. Looking up. Craning your neck throws your spine out of alignment and strains your neck muscles. Instead, look down. Pick a spot on the floor just ahead of your hands and lock your gaze there to keep your head in line with your spine. Mistake number 2. Elbows flared out like a T. When your elbows flare out to the sides at 90 degrees, you put your shoulder joint in a vulnerable position. Instead, tuck them back at a 45-degree angle to your torso. From above, your body should look like an arrow shape. Mistake number 3. Hip sagging. This crushes your lower back and makes the rep easier in all the wrong ways. Instead, engage your core. Squeeze your glutes and keep a straight line from head to heels. No dipping in the middle. Mistake number 4. Shoulders rolled forward. Rolling your shoulders forward takes the chest out of the movement and dumps the load on smaller stabilizer muscles that will quit on you fast. Instead, pull your shoulders back and stay tight the whole set. Mistake number 5. Moving straight up and down. Push-ups aren't an elevator ride. If you're going purely up and down, you're missing out on full chest activation. Instead, push slightly forward as well as up, like you're trying to shove the floor away from you.